Hello everyone and welcome to today's market commentary. So the stocks that we are going to focus in the coming sessions, and out of them Britannia is the first one. So in Britannia on hourly time frame, again I searched for the hidden bullish divergence. So all these bottoms, if you see, and if you connect with this bottom or even this bottom, so there is already a hidden bullish divergence, and there is a normal divergence as well, this low to this low and the respective lows over here. So normal bullish divergence which occurred after the hidden bullish divergence. And even if you remove all this is a double bottom chart pattern. This becoming the first bottom and this becoming the second bottom. And here you can see there is a strong hammer candlestick pattern which is followed by a strong green candle as well. And this becomes your neckline. And Britannia seems to have surpassed all the resistance levels, the intermediate resistance levels. And the area where it bounced back, that is also a strong support zone. So if I zoom out, this area is a very strong resistance for Britannia, which it broke. And now if you see, within the same zone, it took support and it is trying to be bullish. That is the first point. Price bounced back near the strong support zone. Second point is the hidden bullish divergence on 60-minute time frame, which already happened from here to here and connecting the respective bottoms of RSI. Now there is a normal divergence as well, normal bullish divergence. This bottom and this bottom where price is making a lower low and RSI is making a higher low. That is the second point. Third point, this double bottom chart pattern where the neckline is already broken. So it has to go up now. And this hammer candlestick pattern from where the price bounced back. So we are bullish on Britannia and the maximum target that we can keep is 3850, which is the previous stop of this stock. So that is the target for us on Britannia. And even on 4-hour time frame also, if you see, the divergence is still intact. The hidden divergence which I am speaking about, that divergence is still intact even on 4-hour time frame. So we are bullish on Britannia, and these are the reasons that we are bullish on it. And the second stock is Apollo Tire, and on weekly time frame we are able to see strong bullishness in that particular stock. So these bottoms and respective bottoms of RSI, so hidden bullish divergence. And where is the area it is bouncing back now? That is the previous support and resistance. So this 200 rupees zone, that was a gap zone prior to this. Support, then got converted into resistance, and now it is acting as a strong support. So on weekly time frame, price is near a strong support zone with hidden bullish divergence. Let's see, does it have any supports on daily time frame? First of all, the pivot points, it is happening near S1 of this month. So that's one bullish factor. And coming to the moving averages, 200, no, 100, it is already trading below that. We rarely take this 150 days. So moving average, there is no support for this stock as of now, but pivot points is in the favor of stock on daily time frame. So when we are on daily time frame, the pivots that are displayed are valid for a complete month. So this complete April month, these pivot points are valid. And when we go to the weekly time frame, are the pivot points supporting? So these are Fibonacci pivot points. Let us convert them into traditional ones and see. No, the traditional ones as of now, the support is not there. But Fibonacci, if you see, the resistance got converted into support as of now. So these are the points which are indicating strong bullishness in Apollo tires. And again, what is the maximum target? It's the previous stop only, somewhere here, around 257. That's the maximum target that we can keep for this. Then HDFC, even that also on weekly time frame itself, we have the bullish indication. Again, a strong support zone. The previous resistance, earlier it acted as support from where price bounced back, and again the price has come to the same zone. And then the divergence. This is on weekly time frame. And on weekly time frame itself, let us see the pivot points also. They are still in bullish zone. That is one factor which is in the favor of bullishness, because the zone above pivot point, we consider that as a bullish zone. Then on daily time frame, if you see, price exactly bounced back from the S1 of this month. That is one factor. And then coming to the moving averages, no, moving average support is not there to the stock as of now, but pivot point support is there on daily time frame, and on weekly time frame, it is near a strong natural support zone as well as the hidden bullish divergence. So that's why we are bullish on HDFC. And then the last stock, HDFC Life. This is the bottom and the respective bottoms on RSI. Then turning on the pivot points, it is in the bullish zone. So on daily time frame, if you see, pivot point S1 is there to the rescue of this HDFC Life. That is one factor which is in favor of bulls. And 200-day moving average is also right exactly there itself. Slight distance is there, but still, even if price falls down, it is going to act as a support only. So on daily time frame, pivot support as well as the RSI divergence. Now, if you see on daily time frame, this is actually a very strong support zone. So that acted as a previous resistance, which now got converted into a support. So this is the fourth time that the price is coming near to that zone. And do we have any trend line support? Let us see that. Yeah, trend line support is also there for the stock. Long-term trend line support, that is also there. So this bottom, we are connecting it to this bottom and we are projecting it towards the right. So even trend line support is also there and horizontal support is also there for the stock. At the same time, there is also RSI hidden bullish divergence on daily time frame as well as the weekly time frame. So these are the four stocks that we are going to focus for the coming days: Britannia, Apollo Tire, HDFC, and HDFC Life. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be receiving the updates whenever I post my video. And I'm leaving my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Any doubts you have while selecting the stocks, or if you want to join any premium courses like NSE certified courses, you can get in touch with me over WhatsApp. Thank you all for joining.